How to see photo details on iPhone. Normally, you use your iPhone to take some pictures, to snap some pictures, and you may want to see all the pictures you have on your iPhone, just like the one you see on the screen. Then just scroll up, then you have access to the album. By tapping on this album, you can see what the album looks like on your device. Then you can as well scroll up and see some information about the utility, the recent saved video. You can tap on that and have access to the recent saved video on your iPhone. Then recently edited video, you can as well tap on that and have access to recently edited videos. You can as well see video service and other important things. So let's take one of this picture and identify its location and other important thing you need to know about that particular picture. So let me tap button. Now here is a picture. You can get that one right. Then just scroll up like this. Then you have access to some important information. Then you have access to the date, and here you snap that picture as well. You have access to the time. This picture was taken 11:32 a.m. Then the size, the JPEG of a thing comes up here. Then you have access to other important thing here. So in your own case, you might have the location here as well. You can as well access this information by tapping on this eye icon. Once tap on the eye icon, then the information comes up here as well. But here the location is not added. In case you want to add the location, which is very simple and easy, guys, then you need to enable the location setting on your iPhone. Go and tap on the setting on your iPhone. Tap on it. Once tap on the setting, then scroll up a bit until you get to privacy and security. Tap on it. We'll tap on privacy and security, then tap on this button, service location, tap on it. Make sure that this particular service location is toggled on. If it is off, toggle it on like this. Now that I've tapped and you've toggled it on, then scroll down and locate your camera. You can see my camera is never. Now, is this what you do now? In case you want to capture a particular location where your picture is being taken with your iPhone, tap on this button while using this iPhone. Then once you tap on that, you can see that this precise location is toggle on. What does that mean? That allow apps to use your specific location with these settings off. Apps can only determine your approximately location. So guys, I would encourage you to tap on and disable this if you want this app to use your location, and that has to do with you guys. So by this time, I'm sure now you've been able to access the details of your pictures on your iPhone. So guys, if you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.